They lock my auntie son up. Might storm the fucking station with my motherfucking gun up. All accusations when they sum up. They locking niggas off of young bitches, one in a nut bus. She bought that pussy, she was 15. If she can open up her legs, she old enough to get Dixie. Because your parents wanna flip C. You flip the script, got a nigga locked on some bitch shit. This bitch, I fuck.